Working with a 4K video and need to convert it without losing too much quality. HandBrake gives you control over the video encoder, quality, frame rate, audio, and output format. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert 4K videos in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select your 4K video and wait for HandBrake to scan and load the source. Before making any changes, check the original resolution, frame rate, and file size. Next, open the Presets menu and choose a preset that matches how you plan to use the converted video. If you want to keep 4K resolution, choose a preset that doesn't automatically reduce the video dimensions. Now open the Video tab and choose your encoder. H.264 is useful when broad compatibility is important, while H.265, also known as HEVC, can provide more efficient compression. 4K videos can be very large, so choosing an efficient encoder can help reduce the final file size while maintaining good quality. Next, review the constant quality setting. For 4K video, avoid using unnecessarily low-quality settings because fine details can become more noticeable when the video is viewed on a large display. Take a moment to choose a quality level that gives you a good balance between detail, encoding time, and file size. Also review the frame rate and keep it consistent with the source unless you have a specific reason to change it. Now open the dimensions settings and make sure the output resolution is what you want. If you're converting 4K to another format while keeping 4K resolution, avoid accidentally reducing the dimensions. Finally, review the audio, subtitles, output format, and destination. Then click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish. So when the conversion is complete, open the new video and check its resolution, quality, audio, and file size. And that's how to convert 4K videos in HandBrake. Open your source, choose a suitable preset and encoder, adjust the quality, check the dimensions and frame rate, and start the conversion. 4K encoding can take some time, so be patient and make sure your computer has enough storage for the output file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, working with a 4K video and need to convert it without losing too much quality. HandBrake gives you control over the video encoder, quality, frame rate, audio, and output format. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert 4K videos in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started.